Hello to all my real people out there. It's Real TVW, the man in the red jacket. Last time we talked about how to make a quick profit from flipping the Tesla Cybertruck. However, there are uncertainties to think about when trying to flip a Cybertruck for profit. So today we're going to take another look at should you order the Tesla Cybertruck and profit from full self-driving in 2020. Who is winning the full self-driving race? Both tech and auto companies are competing to create the first Level 5 fully autonomous vehicles. Tesla has the publicity, but are they the best? And will a Tesla Cybertruck with full self-driving be worth twice as much as it costs if you pre-order one today? Tesla has already said it has better data on real-world driving than the rest of the industry combined. The artificial intelligence system of the company is being trained in real time with data obtained from each Tesla vehicle that's on the road today. Each input from real drivers in a Tesla helps the Tesla software to learn how to respond to various scenarios. Overall, Tesla is winning the full self-driving race in the minds of the consumer, because the company is selling large numbers of vehicles today. And as Tesla's sales and production continue to grow, they'll have more and more of the market share and more real-world data to achieve their goal of Level 5 autonomous driving. Looking at Tesla competitors, we have Waymo. Waymo is under Alphabet, better known as Google. While Tesla is currently sitting at around a Level 2 or better full self-driving, which is basically just enhanced driver's assistance, Waymo is already confirmed at Level 3. Level 3 is basically full self-driving for most people at most times. Waymo has achieved 10 million miles of autonomous transport in 25 American cities. Waymo also has its AI completing over 7 billion miles in full self-driving simulations. Waymo also uses LiDAR, a technology that Tesla says they will not use due to its cost, and according to Elon Musk, anyone relying on LiDAR is doomed. All LiDAR-based systems will mean that a big ugly box will need to sit on top of your car, just like your robot vacuum. Tesla is focused on cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, whereas Waymo can use all of those but adds LiDAR as well. But that's not all. NVIDIA, Intel, and others. NVIDIA has focused its custom-made chips that are designed for self-driving vehicles with AI technology built in. Though there are other chip manufacturers that are also trying to build full self-driving chips. Some believe that NVIDIA's experience with GPUs may give them an advantage. But you have others like Intel, Huawei, and others that are trying to leverage their expertise to break into full self-driving, and they usually do that by partnering with another automotive company. Will they be the first to Level 5 full self-driving? 5G and the future of full self-driving. I think there's maybe 7 technologies that are needed to create a world of full self-driving vehicles. You have cameras, radar sensors, ultrasonic sensors, LiDAR, the data processing chips, AI functionality, and finally, the one that's not getting a lot of attention, 5G cellular connectivity. I have not seen a single company leveraging all 7 technologies to create a full self-driving future. And when looking at the reality of 7 different technologies, it seems like those companies who work together are going to win. Of the 7 technologies, 4 of them, which includes cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and LiDAR, are all just sensors that any company can buy. But 3 of them, the important 3, are processing chips, AI, and 5G. These are tech-related components that auto manufacturers are not experts on. This is where Tesla may run into trouble. Tesla is trying to build everything in-house, all parts of the Tesla designed and made by Tesla. But does Tesla have the ability to create strong enough processing chips, smart enough AI, and cellular technology? There are many articles speaking out against Tesla, saying that their technology is limited, and if they do not embrace LiDAR, for instance, they can never reach Level 5 full self-driving. I think that once we see a company embracing all 7 technologies, cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, LiDAR, chips, AI, and 5G, that company will create a true full self-driving fleet and will make billions of dollars. After researching all of these things, it's hard to say that the Tesla Cybertruck will double in value. and the Tesla full self-driving will be worth $100,000. Tesla can be a success though. Tesla is a luxury brand. Just like how Apple came along at the right time and made a product that was good enough, with expensive materials and style, Tesla is the same. Should you buy a Cybertruck to flip for a profit? Maybe not, but there is another alternative. Tesla does have an advantage in full self-driving right now, and it may never make it past level 3 with its current designs, but it may be that Tesla's current full self-driving is made legal across the USA soon. If that is so, then you can use your Cybertruck, which you're going to get for a $100 deposit, to make money for you. Tesla's going to keep raising the price on full self-driving. Will it ever be $100,000? I don't think so. But $10,000? $15,000? That's likely. I can see that happening if full self-driving becomes fully legal. So by paying your $100 deposit now, you secure full self-driving for $8,000. That's right, $8,000, not $7,000. It just went up. Then when you have the Cybertruck and the technology is legal to use without a driver, you can sit at home, but send the Cybertruck out alone to move people, move goods, tow things, complete any other tasks that may arise. This is why it makes sense to buy the tri-motor design, because you get more range and more ability to tow. But I believe that there will only be a short time to make a profit on the Cybertruck in this use case. Once the full self-driving technology becomes legal in whatever form, large companies like Honda, Toyota, GM, Ford, and others will rush their cars with that tech to the markets. Their cars will be cheaper to buy, and so other people will try to use their cars to make money from home. And then you'll also have companies like Uber and Lyft who can buy fleets of vehicles and do the same thing, and they'll do it cheaper. Whether you think you can flip a Cybertruck for profits or use it as a money-making tool with its full self-driving, the window of opportunity will be short. So better secure one today with your $100 deposit and be ready to buy it if and when one of those scenarios looks likely. And remember, if it doesn't look likely, you can always back out and get a refund.